About 4 years ago, we started investing in GPS technology. During that time, we purchased a skid steer with the SharpGrade blade. That sort of technology is really efficient and helped us adapt to, I guess, the changing needs of our clients and being efficient with placement of material. What we're looking to do now is just provide more of a rounded package to our clients. So at the moment we're at our Viner Road quarry, so we don't run weighbridges in these quarries, we run certified scales, and being able to run the numbers from the scales with the drone flights at an end of month process allows us to reconcile the quantities going out and just really tighten up all our numbers. One of the key considerations we've got, especially with the demolition side of the business that does a lot of cartage from various sites, is having scales and the excavators. So being able to load trucks to the accurate weights has been a real key driver in selecting what technology to use. I think one of the main benefits of the equipment is being able to do our own set out, our own pickups. The efficiency we gain from doing that ourselves rather than waiting for a subcontractor or surveyor to come in. The combination of those technologies is working really well together. Recently we've just completed a pump track for Winton School. Biggest challenge with a pump track like we've just built is not having done one before. There's some real fine tuning bits. With the machine, control the efficiency in the bulk earthworks by using GPS was really immense. It was great.
Years ago we were working with pigs, surveyors. It was sucking up a whole lot of time. Going forward with our teller, it's been quite good in the last couple of years, bringing their technology through, really pushing and seeing what they can do as well. There's a lot of questions that you can go back to them and they scratch your head and then we can work together and go forward. Working
with that teller, they've been able to look at the various types of work we do across demolition, quarrying and civil construction and come up with a solution that works across all those different work types. Having consistency for our operators is a real benefit.